How to make a YouTube banner. Before we go, don't forget to follow us. First, bring this photo. You can find this photo in the description. Select white area. Ctrl+J. Bring the photo and resize it. Ctrl+J. Right-click, and create clipping mask. Bring this down. Go to Filter, Gaussian Blur, make it 15, and press OK. Bring this down a little bit. Press React to Angle tool, and resize it. Now click here and choose No Color, and go to Stroke and choose White Color. Let's resize it a little bit. Bring your logo. If you don't have one, just put your name. Resize it and make both of React to Angle at the same center. Make another React analogue and bring it in the center. Hold Ctrl and click on it. Go to React Angle 1 and press on this to mask it. Press on the mask and press Ctrl+I. Now bring icons here. Choose the social media icon you want, and press Ctrl+J. Line up the icons and resize it and bring it to the center. Go to Invert and press Ctrl+Alt+G. Let's resize it a little bit. Now let's write anything here. Good. Let's make it a little bit darker. Empty layer, and press Ctrl+Backspace. Bring down opacity. Let's add soiled color. Choose any color you want. Right-click, create clipping mask. Press on the mask, press Ctrl+I. Use brush and make it a little bit bigger. Make sure that you select white color. Now hold Shift and color this place. I will resize the text a little bit. Good. You can change the color of the text if you want. Don't forget to put your social media names. I prefer to name every account the same name so people can find me easier. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+S to save the photo. Now I will show you how to put your banner. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to follow us.